Welcome to the FP&A Automation series. Today, we're thrilled to introduce the Staffing Dashboard, a game changer in workforce management. Utilizing the power of Power BI through 5 customized views, the dashboard offers unparalleled insight into workforce and financial metrics. But before we explore the views, let's see how it works. First, the dashboard acts as a centralized hub, gathering staffing and financial data from various sources to facilitate thorough analysis. Next, utilizing advanced algorithms, inconsistencies are detected and rectified, resulting in clean and standardized data, ensuring precision and reliability. Finally, the validated data undergoes optimization, sophisticated modeling, and access levels implementation before seamlessly integrating into custom visualizations, specifically designed to provide an engaging user experience and unlock the full potential of the data. And now, a sneak peek into the dashboard. The first view presents a detailed snapshot of workforce performance metrics, where users can examine year-over-year trends, compare staffing changes, and analyze performance ratios by various periods, regions, and scenarios. In the second view, users can effortlessly compare 2 sets of data with a split-screen layout. This includes breakdowns of additions and separations, staffing changes waterfalls, monthly trend illustrations, and more. In the third view, users access the waterfalls, where in-year staffing changes are seamlessly visualized and compared through the 2 walks. Transitioning to the cycle view, where users seamlessly explore detailed employee data, toggling between additions and separations views, while unlocking powerful insights for understanding workforce dynamics. The final view offers a comprehensive comparison of turnover tables and ratios across all months and dimensions, providing detailed breakdowns of addition and separation groups for deeper insights. Stay tuned for more videos featuring interactive demos of each view. For more information or to get in touch, visit our website.